everybody! In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make 4 BTS projects for your room using dollar items. If you want to see how to make these, then keep watching. For this first project, you will need a nightlight. To remove the image, use nail polish remover and cotton, and the image will disappear. And then print out a circular image to the same size as the circle part. Add more Mod Podge to the top to seal the picture. Plug it into your wall and you are done. Start off with a gray pillowcase. Use a ruler to measure out 14 by 14 inches. Use hot glue to seal the sides, but make sure to leave an opening for the stuffing. Take a thin brush and black acrylic paint and paint an X and an O. Then a straight line at the bottom. Let it dry for a couple of hours and you are done. Begin with a hanging sign. To cover the image, start by covering it completely with white acrylic paint. When that dries, use 2 other colors to paint on top. Then use black paint and a thin brush to write out "You Got No Jams." Let it dry and you are ready to hang it up. For the last project, start off with some popsicle sticks. Hot glue the sticks into a square. Add another square next to it. Add 7 more to make it into a grid. Choose any acrylic paint of your choice and begin to paint. When the paint is dry, add little hangers to each square. Print out some photos of BTS and attach them to the grid. You can either lean it up against your wall or attach it to your wall, and you are done. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs. Subscribe and request for more videos like these. Until the next time, bye everybody!